Is it the right time to make a decision about Microsoft stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.22. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 6.4%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.71% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating potential further growth. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 12.18% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 3.91% and 14.84%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 41.12% change. This could lead to a potential return between 24.26% and 49.57%. In terms of price, it could reach a range of $495.40 to $596.28 after a year. In today's Microsoft update, we have some exciting news: Green Day on Friday for Microsoft. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 19, 2024, Microsoft's stock price experienced a significant gain of 1.22%. It went up from $393.87 to $398.67. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $393.50 and a high of $398.67, showing a 1.31% difference. It's worth noting that the stock price has been on the rise in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a remarkable 8.35% increase over the past 2 weeks. Moreover, the volume of shares traded on the last day also increased, indicating a positive technical sign. Approximately 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold, resulting in a trading value of around $11.01 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached was $398.67, while the lowest was $230.90. This means that the current stock price is at an all-time high. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft MSFT. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Exane BNP Paribas upgraded their rating for Microsoft to outperform. On Friday, January 12, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft an overweight grade, while maintaining a hold action. Back on Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush rated Microsoft as outperform, also with a hold action. And on that same day, Wedbush gave Microsoft an overweight grade, along with a hold action. Turning back the clock to Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham maintained a hold rating for Microsoft. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more cautious, neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Microsoft stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Microsoft. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support at $389.74 and $376.15. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.95%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your investment journey. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it's currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 24 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal occurred just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was detected 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the following. Short moving average, a buy signal occurred 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, it showed a buy signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 54 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals and insights. Today, let's take a look at the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Microsoft. When it comes to support, we can see that the stock has found a strong level just below today's price at $370.73. Additionally, there is another support level at $369.67. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $369.67 and $340.67. In terms of trading volume, Microsoft is usually traded at a good volume. This means that there is generally low risk associated with the stock. Additionally, the stock has been experiencing minor daily changes, further reducing the overall risk. Taking a look at the recent price movements, we can see that the stock had a $5.17, 1.31% difference between its high and low in the last day. Looking at the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.28%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often observed in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Microsoft's fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $2.75. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Microsoft. Currently, there are no significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume, indicating that the stock could experience a rapid upward movement given the right conditions. If you're considering entering a position, pay attention to volume indicators to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Microsoft's first support level is at $370.73. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Hoya Alice L. sold a total of 197,512 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. also conducted an insider sell, but only sold 120 shares of common stock. Another insider sell occurred on December 15, 2023, with Hoya Alice L. selling a significant amount of 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri made 2 insider buys. First, an acquisition of 858 shares of restricted stock units, and second, 277 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be positive at 77.374. In total, insiders have purchased 2,529,362 shares and sold 329,222 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $379.12, which represents a 4.9% decrease from the current price. This particular stock exhibits low levels of daily volatility, making it a safer investment option with reduced risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14, a measure of the stock's relative strength, is currently at 78, which significantly increases the risk associated with it. In terms of technical analysis, we have observed a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 23 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good investment? Microsoft shows several positive signals and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a favorable choice at its current levels, with further potential gains expected over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 22nd, we anticipate Microsoft stock to open with a decrease of $1.72, starting at $396.95. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, let's remember an important fact: trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. We're here to provide valuable information, but please remember that your investment decisions are your own responsibility. We would love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to let us know what your target is for this stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.